All right, here's part 2 of the 65 Gladiator that we've been working on. We've got some video and some pictures here. This is us on the day when we decided we were going to try to start the Gladiator. And a lot of what we had to do was clean up stuff, including here in the clutch inspection plate. We took that off. It was jam-packed full of a mouse nest in there. It was pretty nasty. So we cleaned that out the best we could. And you can see the vacuum hose there. That was pretty nasty. We got the motor, and we thought we were ready to start it and get it to run, but it would not run. We could get it to crank. It got gas, but it seemed like, for whatever reason, it just wouldn't kick over. And after messing around with it for a little while and putting a compression gauge to it, we figured out that the motor didn't have any compression. Thank God Daryl was there with that flashlight. Otherwise, we couldn't have figured out what was going on. Thanks, Daryl. We appreciate that. And Troy there working as well. He owns Outlaw Muscle Cars and is a really good mechanic. We were all trying to figure out what the heck was going on. And what we ended up finding out, we pulled the heads off the motor. One of the valves had broken off and was actually sitting on top of the piston. So here we are. We're pulling the Jeep over to the other side. We're going to pull the motor out. That AMC 327 is a beast. It's the same size as basically a small block or a big block Chevy. So very, very big. By the way, look at the hair on me. That's probably why the motor wouldn't run, is because of that horrendous long hair that I had for a while. Thank God I got a haircut. Bill there helping us out, pull that motor out, and oh, those are nice. I like those boots. Those are sexy. So we took the Gladiator, we put it in my garage. Here's some of the axle stuff that I did. I kind of renovated, tried to clean everything up, paint everything, and have been working on it for over a year. There's a 3-speed transmission. I rebuilt it, did some floor work, had to put in some floor pans on it, have welded those in. There's the 327, had it sent out for machine work. It's bored 40 over, got a cam, got new pistons, got everything else. It was quite a labor of love over the winter to get that motor together. Did all of it right there in the garage. See a little bit of interior work there. Also rewired it with a full wiring kit that I got from Speedway Motors. And there it is, sitting in the Gladiator. Now I just got to get it to run. I also converted it from a 3 on the tree to a 3 on the floor, mostly because I wanted to run dual exhaust, and that was the easiest way to route it. All right, here we go. Let's fire this thing up. Go. It's alive. Unfortunately, I had the fuel pump hooked up wrong and it died right after I got it started. But it did fire. I switched some wires around to the fuel pump, got that all set, and then it ran beautifully. We broke the cam in, and now it's just a matter of a whole bunch of stuff to get done.
That little truck is my inspiration.
There you go. Whole bunch of stuff to get done. And we'll show it, drive it around as soon as we can on Roadless. We'll see you guys next week. Roadless TV. Don't forget to subscribe. Also check out Twitter. We're on there. We're on Instagram as well, and Facebook. And we'll see you next week on Roadless TV.